Alright, I think we're live. So, what's up, creators? Today, we're going to be building the logic behind logging into our app. Hopefully, all of you guys are staying healthy through the coronavirus thing and everything. And I figured I'll do a little live stream since I gotta be at home anyways. So hopefully everything's working right. It looks like we got excellent condition. I don't know if it's lying to me, but today's video is might be one of the harder ones that I'm gonna do, well, at least for me, because so the goal, we'll see how it goes, but we'll set up the login and sign up with Firebase authentication normally, and then we're going to try to do it using provider. So that's going to be our two big tasks for this live stream. It might take a while, so if you don't have time to check all this out, there'll be a video that's out on Friday. I updated my channel header now with the information of when I have my videos out and things like that. So yeah, let's see if we get this to work in one live stream. I'll be pretty proud of myself if I can. But all right, I'm updating the Flutter. It just gave me a little thing that you can update to a newer Flutter, and I was like, might as well. So that's what I'm doing in the background. In the meantime, I wish there was like more information on how to use provider. So I know we have what, the change notifier proxy provider. So let's see what that is. Consumer, I don't think we really need it because we'll just be using it. Listenable proxy provider, and then proxy provider. So I think we're going to have to use the proxy provider. I'm not certain. As opposed to create update, maybe called more than once. It's called once the first time the value is obtained. See, I feel like there's not like really good documentation on this. Hey Himanshu, nice to see you again. Alright, is this done upgrading? No. So I didn't update any of the documents just yet, but because I think we have pretty much the basics of what we wanted to do. Actually, let me open up the widget tree diagram. That one's my favorite. It's all right. Actually, no. Let's open this one in diagram thing. Alright, so what we're going to do is hopefully set up a root widget that calls Firebase, or just checks your state actually. What's this? Install dry.io. Interesting. Maybe I'll do that one day, but not right now. So here the root widget will just pretty much check your state, see if you're logged in. If you're not, it'll send you to this screen. Then you update everything. And with let's say you log in, the state will be updated. You can send it back to the root widget, and it should send you to the normal thing. So we're going to try to get these three set up. Can actually add in here logged in. But I think to start, we'll just start up with without provider or anything, just implementing normal login, and then move on to trying to implement it with provider. To be honest, still upgrading? Holy crap, how long? Let's open, or actually new window. I want to open the what we had made with the provider previously. Yeah, so we can kind of reference that because it should be similar. So we had a model, extending change notifier. We had some events. And then in our main, we had our change notifier provider. In our profile screen, we had our consumer. So I think it should be the same. Except here we'll have a login, sign out method. I think that's how it should work. Let me just reference the other app that I have made. How'd I do here? Services. So here we just had an abstract class, and you would just check it in the root. Where's the root? So you'd get a status whether you're logged in or not. Get the current user and send it to whatever page, but instead of just manually doing it, we would do it using the state. Yeah, okay. So I'll bring that back over here so I could reference it a bit if needed. And then we'll keep this saved down here. All right, looks like we finally got that done. Let's launch the emulator. Also, I don't need the headphones just now. It's kind of annoying. And we will need to set up a Firebase as well. So let's do that. Firebase.google.com. So go to, who is this in as? Yeah, go to console. We'll create a project. We'll call it Ref Book Club. We'll have the reference one for the live streams so we can use while we're building it, and then we'll have the official one for the video. Enable Google Analytics. Yeah, I'll do it. United States. I accept. Create project. So now what I realized I should put so open this. I open this in Explorer. Yep. and basically I'll take this code, delete the lib folder, and projects, book club, okay. Delete the lib folder, open this in a new window. So we're starting off right off the official book club base that we had here. All right. What's going on? Our login form, I think I should still have that. Oh, it's different. It's ref underscore. And then ref underscore. Same thing here. Ref underscore. Next time I'll do this before we start the live stream, but you know, can't always get it right the first time. Ref underscore. All right. What's the problem? Okay, come on, man. Give me a tough time. Where's the problem here? Ref underscore. There we go. All right. So if we save all those, save. Man, I've never had this happen before. I just want to save it. Control S. All right, start debugging, whatever. Why isn't that saving? Because there was two open? Ah, something's fishy. Alright. Stream health, still healthy, sweet. So your project is ready. Nice. And here we want to add it to our Android app. Android app will be... Man, you only do these things once. I kind of forget how to even do it sometimes. But our Android app is com.ref.bookclub. Nickname book club reference app. So we actually want a SHA-1 for debugging for Google sign-in later on. So let's do that. I've never done it before either, but I think I will need it. Open terminal, run, provide a job SHA-1 fingerprint. To get the release certificate key. think I only need this. And then I gotta... Alright, let's see, CMD. And I probably have to go to this project, right? CD YouTube. CD projects. CD ref. Alright, fine. The book club. And then this here, maybe? I'll do it off of here, but just copy the path name. I don't think this is gonna work, but because this seems too simple. Not too simple. Stuff just doesn't work out like this for me on the first try. And debug.keystore. Nice. I'm not great with CMD with the command prompt, but let's just give it a quick Google. How to set up SHA-1 for Flutter for Firebase. I'm sure it's not hard. I just can't do it. Select your Gradle, double-click Sign and Report. You'll find the SHA-1 key. I guess let's try it. I wonder if there's a way to do it with VS Code. Gradle, double-click Sign and Report. Close. And then what do we want? Keep forgetting. Select Gradle and Android Studio from right panel. Gradle. From right panel. I know that's the left one, but I don't see anything in the right one either. Window. And you have these Gradle, SDK. Riding the struggle bus a bit. Where'd you find the Gradle? Come on, man. Alright, screw it. We're gonna do it without it. We're gonna set up the Google thing in a later thing in a different. I'm gonna learn about it some more. So register app. Download services. And then you want to move it, close Android Studio, and then you want to put it in your Android app, right? Yeah, Android and app. And then let's rename it to just Google Services.json. Nice. And then next, add the paths to project level build.gradle. Just a project level build.gradle. I think this one. Build script has Google, correct. Google services. In the dependencies, let's add that. All projects has Google. Great. In the app level Gradle, we want to add plugin Android application. That's there. Let's add this to there, and add a dependency for Firebase down here. And I think we're going to have to stop that, and then next, save all that, rebuild. Hopefully we're connected then. Wait, what happened? So I hope everybody's doing fine during this Corona crisis thing. In fact, this is a good time to learn Flutter if you have to stay home, not doing anything. I was thinking about starting up like a series about creating like a team and how to work with a team online, but I don't know if I'm the best source for that. I've done it with like 2 or 3 people, but I think if you have a bigger team, it's definitely a little bit harder. But it's pretty crazy. There's like everything's shutting down. Everybody's working from home. I'm working from home. It's crazy. Dow Jones and the whole markets are crashing like crazy. I didn't think I'd ever get to live through something like this. But I guess it shakes up like life a little bit. Keeps things interesting. I don't know. Alright, so we connected? Not yet. The app looks nice though. You need to uninstall and reinstall your app. I rebuilt it, is that good enough? Ah, nice. Alright, so we have our app connected. That's the main thing we need. Then authentication. We need the sign up method, sign in method. Let's do email and password for this. Enable and save. All right. So finally, we can get to the coding of it. Let's just go to whatever we need. So login form we don't need yet. We need to do the sign up, right? Sign up doesn't do much. Sign up form is where pretty much everything happens. All right. So first thing we need is a text editing controllers to basically get the input from our sign up form. So text editing controller, call this first one the full name. Text editing controller. I need to initialize it, I think. Let me pull up what I've done before just so I'm not completely useless. Yeah. And then we'll have the email. Actually, let's do controller, then email controller, then password controller, then confirm password controller. All right. So each one of these should have a controller, full name controller. This one is the email controller. This one is the password controller. This one is the confirm. Oh, crap. Confirm password controller. Okay. Then unpressed. Unpressed, let's have a function that returns a void. We'll have sign up user. And inside we'll get passed a string for full name. Full name. String for email. String for password. Actually, no, let's just do full name, email, and yeah, string password. If the passwords don't match, we won't even send it to this function. So in here, we'll have if password controller.text is equal to confirm password controller.text. We'll do this. We'll go to the sign up user function with full name. Come on, man. Why doesn't it want to help me out? Full name controller.text. Email will be email controller.text. And this one will be password controller.text. So pretty simple. Else we'll show the snack bar. So forget how do you show it. Context. No. Let's just look it up. How to show snack bar in Flutter. Hello from Turkey, 1:18 p.m. Hello, nice to see you. Nice to talk to you. That's crazy, all the way from Turkey. The internet's a wild place, man. Wait, 1:18 p.m. in Turkey, does that make sense? It's only a 4-hour difference? I don't believe it, let's see. Are you lying to me? What time is it in Turkey? Ah, 1 a.m., not p.m. It's time to go to bed, man. It's way past my bedtime in that case. Oh wait, yeah, I was looking up the snack bar. Alright. So scaffold dot show snack bar. Now we can just define the snack bar inside. There's no need to do all that extra stuff. Snack bar. And then content. Be text. Passwords. Do not. Actually, make sure passwords match. Nah, not make sure. You gotta be bold. Or just passwords do not match. What other fields do you need? Content, then duration, I think, right? Duration, then duration, seconds, 2. Let's just see if that works. Full name, blah, blah, blah. Begin batch edit on inactive. I don't know what that means. Blah, blah, blah. And then A, B, C. And we'll have A, B, C, D. Sign up. Passwords do not match. Nice. And then if we do A, B, C. Perfect. Step 1, or pre-step 1 is done. So, sign up user. Alright, now time for the Firestore part of this. I'll start the model for it, but we won't be implementing it fully with Firebase. Well, we won't be implementing fully with provider, that is. So here we'll have current user .dart. You know what I'm thinking? Maybe we need to have another folder called states. Let me do that for now. Might not stick with it. Because this current user isn't really a model, right? Current user might have a user model inside of it, but if we're just managing the state in there, let's just go with that. We can change her up if we go in something, we want something different. So class current user, we'll have final string name, final string UID, final string email. And then we want to add constructors for all these. Very nice. Then here, let's have a function called void sign up user. And we'll pass it a just string email and string password, I think. So I don't know if we really need this. How about we do all the since we're going to update it for provider later, let's just do all the Firebase stuff in here. It won't be very clean, but that's fine. We'll fix it up as we go. So Firebase auth. Oh, hold on. I don't even have the package in it. I'm just going to put all the packages in right now, so you don't have to keep restarting the app. Up here, Firebase core, Firebase auth. I don't know if I need the core. I don't even know what the core does. Cloud, Firestore, and those are the two that we're going to need for sure now, but we'll add them as we go. All right, so F5. Here we should be able to, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, Firebase base auth. Give me a second. Auth equals Firebase auth dot instance. All right. Then we have a pretty simple function where we could wrap it in a try. A try, then catch. E. Just like that. And in here, we can do auth result. And we await. Oh, hold on. That's not how you await auth result, and that's not how you get the auth result, but auth result equals await auth dot create user with email and password. Email is email. Password is password. And I think that's all we really need. There. What happened? Oh, man. Oh, multi-dexing, I bet. Yep. I always forget about this. Your method must be basic. Yeah, I know. So multi-dexing. Depending. If your minimal SDK is up to 121 or higher, let's do that. 21 is already pretty high up there. I feel like if you're using something less than 21, it's time to upgrade, man. If I can remember, there was one more thing I needed. But we'll see if this works. If this works, who cares? Well, I can't find it on here. Oh. So we might need to, this is what I have working here, so you might need to add these three. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. If that doesn't work, then I'll add these three and hopefully then it works, but cross our fingers, that's all we need. This class is marked as immutable, but one or more instances aren't final. Oh, the text editing controller probably, right? Let's see if that fixes it. Yeah, that's it. Then auth isn't used. Dude, why does this keep opening twice? Don't save. Alright, final. Wait a second, does this work? Is it still loading? Why is it all black? Yeah, it's working nice. Is it? What is this? Shader compilation error. It looks fine to me. So final. I'm not sure if it's final, you might not be able to update it, but let's we'll see what we get past in here. And actually, we need to see what we get past in there. Jeez. Alright, what is going on? Haven't done anything, I swear. Maybe it needs to be stateful, but like, don't think so, because like, why is this back working? Huh. Let's switch this to stateful and save it. What is that? All right, shut it down. The whole now my background's black. What's going on? I think I need to restart this bad boy, or just reopen it because this is a mess. I was to say I don't think adding a package is gonna make it start tweaking out like that. Hurry up, save the state. Oh, come on, man. This does not want to help me out at all. Computer can barely run. Alright, there we go. Alright, F5. Oh wait, no, it's going to launch the web, I think. Stop. Yeah, we don't want that. Launch emulator. Come on, man. I'll give you one more shot before I will never use this emulator again. Oh, what is that? Stop. Disappeared. Alright. Time to set up a new emulator, I guess. I noticed this happens sometimes. Like you'll be using it and I'll mess something up and then the emulator just doesn't work again and you gotta create a new one. It's a disaster. I wish there was an easier way to manage your emulators on VS Code. There might be, but I don't really know how to do that. Come on. Delete. Yes. What? Okay. I was going to say, I can't delete it, can't do anything. Alright, Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL? Let's go XL. Next. Enable device frame, yeah. Finish. And let's run it. Alright, this one's a bit bigger. It's alright. I think I like bigger. No homo. But is it gonna work? That's the question. Yep. Alright. That's kinda cool. You got your little notch up here too. I mean, not cool. It's kinda ugly, but disable hardware acceleration in the emulator to wrap your widgets with scaffold. They are wrapped with scaffold, right? There, just look. So this is the sign up form. no scaffold here, but in the sign up, there's a scaffold. And the sign up form is inside the scaffold. So, hardware acceleration in emulator. I feel like I might have done something like that before. Did this one crash? No, it's still running. Okay. Close that, whatever. Then hardware acceleration, let's see. Disable hardware acceleration and emulator. Whatever, I'll look into it later. It's working for now, it seems like. Well, I don't know whatever that is, but hopefully that's not gonna cause us a big problem. Alright. I just think I need to build a more badass computer. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I mean, this one's it's a pretty badass laptop, but the graphics card on it isn't too strong. Like has pretty good specs for like everything else, but except for graphics. And I want to build like a badass desktop that can handle like anything. Run like 20 emulators, like nobody's business. But hopefully this will work. So we still need to set up the root widget. That's going to be taking care of that. But maybe we'll set that up at the same time we do the provider. I'm not too sure. We'll see how it goes. If everything stops working all the time today, maybe I need to prepare a little bit more for the next one. Or just like learn, because I feel like a big obstacle is going to be how to set up like the proxy provider and everything. And how it's different from just normal change notifier. Come on, are you going to build? Okay, looks good. Come on. Are you kidding me? Area connecting to service protocol. What does that even mean? Try restart system and reinstall Flutter. Oh, I don't want to reinstall Flutter. I really hope this works this time. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, God. Oh, was that because I did that? Oh, one more try, please. I wonder if there's a good way to like show a phone. Maybe I'll set up like a camera on my phone or something. In fact, that works a little bit better than emulators usually. And you can actually do more of the things like send notifications, things like that. Oh, God. Error connecting to the service protocol. Failed to connect to this. I hate emulators sometimes. Oh my God. Please work. I don't want to reinstall Flutter. Might fall asleep here too while I wait. Take a nice nap. Also, we're almost at 500 subscribers. That's pretty crazy. Didn't think we would get to anywhere close to that quick. Alright, Google, I need you to come through for me. Make this work so we can get this video done. Or get this live stream done so I don't have to restart my computer. Do a what? Where did it go? Are you kidding me? It just stopped? No like crash report, no nothing, just stopped? Oh my God. It's just turning off every time. Nice. My computer could barely run this. Jeez, man. This is a disaster. Are you just nervous? Maybe the virtual device is just nervous because it's on the live stream right now, so it doesn't want to work. I don't know. Flip my desk if this just turns off again. Please, 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 please. And the worst part is, even if it turns off, I mean, if it works and turns on, we still might get the same error we were getting before. Oh, all right, phone is starting. Come on, come on. All right, what is stop with all those screens? Just go to the base screen. All right, come on, you could do it. You could do it. Okay, okay. Step 1. We got the emulator running, it seems. All right. Step 2. Make sure we return everything to exactly how it was. Run and debug. Please, 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 please. I'll forgive you for everything I just said. I'll take back everything I just said if you work, please. Man, this video was supposed to be about so much stuff. This live stream. Already an hour. Oh. Hold on. Come on. Come on. Please. I'm not hopeful. Those black screen's here for too long. I don't feel hopeful at all. Come on. I give it 20% chance of turning on and working. God, this is nerve-wracking. Oh. Okay. 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 Come on. Please. You almost there, come on. I've never been this nervous for an app before. Tag manager and is not found will be null. I don't care. Come on. Please. Alright, this is ridiculously long. What the hell? Binding to servers failed. I don't even care. What is going on? Work! How much longer do I have to wait? I'm losing my mind here. Please. Is that it? Are we just gonna stop? I don't think it failed. Well, like, binding the Firebase failed, but the app itself. What? I'm pretty sure there should be more stuff than binding services failed. Because it's still running, it's still trying to do something. Trying to bind service, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's not my problem. There should be something inside the app, but like, alright. It's not, the instance of Firebase is on the sign up screen too, so it should start on the login screen, so it shouldn't be breaking anything. It should at least start up. I don't get it. Is this thing even on? What the? This thing just turned off? What? There's my app. No, come back, please. It's here. Okay. What the hell was that all about? Oh my god. And shader compilation error. What is that all about? What is a shader compilation error? Is that working? Does it? What if I click sign up? No? Okay, go back, go back. Man. This is a disaster. I don't know what's going on. What the hell? The sign up screen is popping up. And it's working fine. Oh, so now it's working fine. Okay. Jeez. Well, problem solved. I guess nothing changed since we ran into issues. Shader compilation looks like some Windows problem. Oh man. Times like these almost make me think about getting a Mac. Cause I know, but like, I don't know. Okay. Well, since it's working now magically, let's just try to do something. Tadas email. We'll do creator bro mail@gmail.com. Password, we'll do ABCD. ABCD. Sign up. Passwords do not match. Okay. ABCD. ABCD. Sign up. The email is badly formatted. No. You sure? Did I pass the right thing to the email? String, email. The second thing here, sign up user. All right, let's see what we're passing in here. Sign up. Wait. Why did that breakpoint not hit? Is debugging not working now? Are you kidding me? What? We're debugging this app, right? I'm not going crazy here. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Sign up. Error, weak password. Okay. Why is that breakpoint not hitting? A, B, C, D. All right. I gotta make capital A, lowercase b, R-O, capital A, lowercase b, R-O, 1, 2, 3. Capital A, lowercase b, R-O, 1, 2, 3. It worked. But nothing else works in the app. Oh my god. Well, easy. That's all you needed. Oh man. Well, all right. I guess that's good. Then after we await it, let's navigator.pop. Need a context really. All right, well, we'll just call it down here after we sign up the user. Okay. So let's just go and remove this person because they won't let us add another one. Delete. Tadas email creator bromail@gmail.com. No space. Password is ABRO123. ABRO123. Sign up. Nice. Stop. Stop it right now. This just shut off again. What is going on? Stop, stop, stop. What is this black screen? What is that? What is going on? Oh man. This is not a great. We're not having a good time here. All right. Well, I'll just do the very basics and like we'll call it a day on that. In the login screen, we'll pretty much have the same function, except instead of sign up, we'll have login. So call it login user, create class. Don't know why that shifted everything over. Wait, what? Oh, no, I didn't want to create class. I wanted to bring this in. Okay. And what happened here? Did you just time out or something? Man, just stay on. Just please stop doing whatever you're doing. Oh my god. Sign in with email and password. Alright. Oh no, we don't want it to be in the login form. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Oh my god. On tap, I want to set up text editors. Just like this. Well, only email and password are needed here. Controller, email controller, password, controller. Stop doing anything, please. Oh my god. It just starts turning off by itself too. I don't think I have like a... Oh, minimize that. There's like... I don't think there's like a standby mode for it. What is that? What is this? What is going on? Jesus, stop. I think I just need to restart my computer, but I want to get this last part done. Unpressed. Login. Ah, God. Full name. Oh no, we only need this and that. Login user, email, controller, dot text. All right. Please stop. How do we not have access to that down here? Phone is starting. Oh, we need 2 arguments. Okay, that's fine. That's a valid password controller. Dot text. What do you mean phone is starting? You were supposed to be started the whole time. And then if auth result dot user dot UID does not equal null. We're going to want to pass the build context here too. And then okay, that's valid. I'm losing my mind with this whole thing. Why is it shutting off? Else, so the sign up form, let's give it a scaffold, snack bar, I mean. Incorrect login info. Screen, let's add a new folder, call it home. A new file called home.dart. STL, stateless. Our home. Bring material in here. Scaffold. App bar. Title, text, this is home. Commas are all out of place. Everything's a disaster. My biggest failure of a live stream ever. But please work one last time so I could and be over with this tragedy. Oh man, I put a 5 in there. Okay, it's fine. I mean, you can't win all of them, but I didn't think you could lose one this bad. It's not even on. Please turn on. Okay. All right. Now just stay, wait, and hopefully we can log in. I wanted to do so much more in this, but I can't take it. Stop with the shader, compile error. We have a black screen again. God damn it. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Who knows? Maybe there's like something straightforward that I screw up at. But I don't know. It seemed like it just turned off. Like that's not something emulators do by themselves. I don't think they just turn off. Error unknown. Just errors everywhere. And they're not like shader compilation error. Dude, it turned off again. Stay on. Look at this disaster. Oh my god. I just want it to work. And I don't believe it's my fault because, like, I just, it worked. Like, we got into the app and it worked. Alright, I can't take this anymore. This code should work. She should be able to log in. It should be fine. It's pretty simple. There's nothing really going on here, but this is just an utter disaster. I don't know what's going on. I think I need to restart my computer, restart my life. Maybe figure something out. But yeah, I'll hopefully figure out what's going on with this. Make a quick video showing what I was trying to do in this episode. Maybe we'll do a little bit more than just adding Firebase, but I don't know. We'll see. Well, on Friday, 2 p.m. Central Time, the video will be out unless Flutter completely broke and I can't get it to work again. But yeah, if anybody endured it all the way to here, thanks for watching. If you have any ideas about what's going on with this, I would be greatly appreciated. Because I am lost. But yeah, thanks for watching.